Okay. Bye.
Ooh, bunk beds.
Finally, we get a night.
I'm not scared at all.
And then throw it. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. We got in a little hotel room at the Grand Lodge McMenamins. McMenamins is a local, I don't know really what they are. They do restaurants, hotels. They just kind of do all the entertainment style. This is an old, here's Kyler. Kyler, I really like your braid today, dude.
Thank you, but how did we get in there?
How do we get in there? I don't know. Hey, what did this used to be?
School?
An old school. They've converted it to a hotel. Yeah, we've been to a couple of the old schools before. Even the one on Cornelius Pass is an old school?
It was an old something that they turned in. I thought it was a school.
Well, you're gonna see the inside here in a second. Okay, Remi, go ahead, open it up.
She's to the right.
Watch your fingers. Cool. Downstairs, upstairs?
Oh, I guess go up.
Upstairs, guys, come on. What do you think, Remi? What do you think, Kyler? That must be the restaurant bar. It's busy. Hello.
I'll give you the
What do you think? You like it? What are you sipping on?
It's cucumber margarita.
Ooh. Cucumber margarita. I like cucumber. That's pretty cool, guys, huh? Some tile. Alright guys, let's check out this room, see what it looks like. Another bar. Oh, this is the movie theater. I don't know. If it doesn't work to open it, it won't work to open it. Somebody's got a dog.
What room? 215. 215.
On the right, it's the other way. Oh, it's right here, it's right here.
Oh,
John Porter.
John Porter.
The John Porter room, guys.
Okay. Bye.
Oh, bunk beds. Oh, fancy little room. Super small room. Pretty cool.
You climb.
So there's a disc golf course out there, guys. Did you bring your discs?
I did.
Yeah, we're gonna go play. It's been a long time since we played.
Yeah, we can go out there.
No.
And this must be the not bathroom? Yep. There's no bathroom in this room at all.
No, it's
There's
a shared bathroom.
shared bathrooms. Are you guys getting ready to go swimming, or what are we doing first?
They're climbing on the bed. They have to figure out a bunk bed. They've never been on one.
They've never been on a bunk bed before.
No.
Probably because they'd fall out while they sleep, because they are crazy sleepers. Especially this little guy, aren't you, dude?
Oh, I like it.
No jumping.
I would try.
Climb.
Okay, climb up there, dude.
Sleep. I want to sleep right now.
Oh yeah, you want to sleep right now?
I'm not scared at all. Ooh, scary.
What do you think, dude? Are you high up there?
Yeah.
Okay, sit down, don't fall.
I like it.
Alright guys, we're gonna change, go to the pool. What's the pool all about?
It's a-
Salt.
Yeah, salt soaking pool.
Epsom salt soaking pool. It's gonna be kind of cool. Hey, tell me about the John Porter. You just read all of it?
He's Oregon's version of the Appleseed, Johnny Appleseed.
Okay.
He came over with a bunch of pine cones, like big pine cones from, I forget where he came from, but he brought them and he planted all this stuff and he made these massive trees that have now become landmarks of a lot of presidents'
Wow.
houses and stuff. And there have been a lot of like crazy storms that pulled them out, but still, a lot of the trees have still survived. It's pretty legit.
Pretty cool. And that's what our room Johnny Porter was all about. We are gonna go out and do a little disc golf. Kids are ready to do it. They've never done it before.
Finally, we get a night.
Night together.
Mama gets a night off. Well, after 8.
After 8.
After 8, stop.
Watch, stop.
Stop, drop, shoot them down, open up shop.
Alright guys, it's pretty cool out here. Got the fire pit, you can hang out, get your drink on. So you can drink anywhere in here except for the parking lot. Parking lot's the only place you cannot take your drinks to.
We have this or we have the main.
Remi, what do you think about it?
Cool.
Are you excited?
Yeah, this is a restaurant. It's called Pets.
Put it up against your other arm, remember? Nope, nope, put it in your other hand. All right, this is his first time throwing a frisbee. Well, second time. We just did it a second ago. Okay, touch it right here. Touch it right here. And then throw it. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Whoa, Remi, good job. Go back. I'll throw it to you. Ready? Right there, right there. Remi, right there. Ready? Okay, toss it to me. Whoa! So we're in Forest Grove, which is west of Beaverton, west of Hillsboro. Ooh, it's pretty cool. We're in the basement right now, guys. We are going out to the pool.
You just get to relax in the water.
Yep, you have to be really quiet. It's not a play pool, it's a relaxing pool. We'll see how well they do. Yeah, Auntie just lost her phone, but luckily somebody gave it back. Somebody turned it into lost and found. Oh yeah, it is. No glassware. Perfect, we brought the wine in the clip. Ooh, this is pretty cool, huh, dude? Is it warm? It's like a hot tub almost?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Tip your head back and kick your feet up. Belly
Float,
button all the way
float,
up.
float.
Belly button up.
I'll help you with my one finger. That's how we always do it.
All of her medication.
Look up all the way.
She didn't realize that she was taking, I don't know what it was. She thought it was
Tummy up, butt up.
belly up.
Okay, let go, Mom.
So she stopped taking it and she got really
Breathe. Well, Remi, what do you think about this big old hot tub that we're in? Is it salty? Yeah. Do we do some underwater photos? We'll throw one right here. Kai Man, how do you like it?
good.
It's pretty fun. Ooh, cool. The doctor's office. Some shuffleboard and some pool.
Isn't that neat?
We're in our bathing suits, so we're not going in the doctor's office. Ready to get some dinner. The restaurant here at the Grand Lodge. Kids are already coloring. What's up, Auntie?
I got 2 more keys. Did you ever happen to my key?
Yes, tell us all about it.
Okay, so I'm in the shower, and there's like this big marble wall around the shower, so I set my key and my phone up there. My phone would have fit behind the wall and fallen, but the pop socket wouldn't have
Oh, the
let
pop
it.
socket saved it?
Yeah, pop socket saved the day! And then the key fell behind the marble wall, and there was no coming back, no return. So I had to go get a new one.
So she lost her room key. Luckily, we were still in the room.
Well, yeah, because I would have been
You just gone down here and got a new
clothes
key.
though, like out fresh out the shower.
Running down naked right out the shower.
Yeah, right.
Can I get another room key? Again, there's no shower in the room. Hey guys, I got the smoked salmon linguine. Looks really good.
Lamb, baby, lamb for days.
Lamb. Finally got some truffle fries. Alright guys, that's the end of the night. Tanya and Auntie Crystal are hanging out. These kids are going home with me. It's about their bedtime right now anyways, it's 9 o'clock.